Hi everyone, today I will show you how to fix Crunchyroll not working and black screen problem. Before moving on to the video, you can support me by liking the video and deliver this video to people who are looking for this video like you. Let's start. Our first solution consists of 4 small steps. Our first step is to clear the Crunchyroll cache data in Chrome. We enter Chrome. Click on the 3 dots in the upper right. We click on Settings. From the left menu, we click on Privacy and Security. Click on Cookies and Other Site Data. We scroll down. Click on See All Site Data and Permissions. We type Crunchyroll in search. We delete the results. This was our first step. We will do the second step also in the Chrome settings. Our second step is to allow pop-ups. Click on Privacy and Security. Click on Site Settings. We scroll down. Click on Pop-ups and Redirects. From here you can allow the pop-ups feature for all sites. Or you can just allow for Crunchyroll here. To do this, we click on the ad next to Allow to send pop-ups and use redirects. We write the link of the site. In this way, only the site will be allowed. You can give permission for all sites if you don't want to mess with it. This was our second step. For our third step, we click on System in the left menu. If this part is not open for you, you must first click on Advanced. After clicking, we click on System. If Use Hardware Acceleration when available is on, we turn it off. This feature does not allow the site to work. Click on Relaunch. This was our third step. Our fourth step is to turn off the extensions. Especially, VPN and Adblock must be completely turned off. We can go to the extension page by clicking on the extension icon at the top right, then clicking on Manage Extensions. Or we can go to the top right by clicking on the 3 dots, coming to the More Tools section, and clicking Extensions. After coming to the page, we turn off the VPN and Adblock extensions. My recommendation would be to turn off all extensions. This was our first solution. Don't forget to like the video if the solution worked. If this solution didn't work, we'll move on to the second solution. Our second solution is an alternative solution. This error is usually received because of the Chrome browser. This is why our second solution is to use a different browser. I've listed the 3 best browsers you can use. These are Firefox, Opera and Brave browser. These 3 browsers are the 3 best working browsers after Chrome. You can download and use any of them. I will not show you how to download and install it in this video. It's a pretty simple process. This was our second solution. Now we will move on to our third and final solution. Our third solution is to enter Crunchyroll via the Windows Store app instead of the browser. Windows Store apps work much better than browser apps. That's why we will not encounter the black screen problem in the Windows Store application. We type Store in search. Click on Microsoft Store. We type Crunchyroll in search. Click on Application. Click on Get, waiting for the download to finish. You can follow the installation by entering the library. Download completed. Now, after logging into the application and logging into your account, you can watch the anime you want without any problems. You will not encounter any black screen problem in this application. And that was our third solution. We have come to the end of the video. I hope this video fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to like the video. You can also subscribe to my channel to support me. Take care, and see you in the next video.